This is the 2017 Ford Explorer Platinum. This ruby red four-wheel drive SUV is powered by a 365 horsepower, 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and comes with 20-inch wheels. This Ford SUV has black leather-wrapped interior with power-adjustable heated and cooled leather multi-contour massaging driver and passenger seats, second-row heated leather bucket seats, and third-row seating. This turbocharged Explorer has a power-adjustable leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, power-adjustable pedals with memory, rain-sensing wipers, a voice-activated navigation system, Sync 3 with an 8-inch touchscreen, enhanced active park assist, a front 180-degree camera, push-button start, and remote start. It also comes with a rear-view camera, a power moonroof, a remote power liftgate, and Powerfold third-row seats. Test drive the 2017 Ford Explorer Platinum at Eau Claire Ford Lincoln Quick Lane today, or find more great SUVs in the Chippewa Valley at eauclaireford.com.